Hello everyone, welcome to Spy Networks. Today I will show you how to configure the Active Directory role domain services on Windows Server 2019. We already see how to install Windows Server, installation of Windows Server, and then installation of the role Active Directory services. Now I will tell you how to configure the domain controller. We already installed the role of the Active Directory. Promote this server to domain controller. We are now going to promoting our server as a domain controller. Okay, add a domain controller to existing domain. We don't have any existing domain. Add a new domain to existing forest. We don't have any forest, so add a new forest. Okay, here we write the root domain name, that is the sky networks .com, the skynetworks.com, and then we will go next. Select functional level of the new forest and root domain. So we will do it Windows Server 2008, and here also Windows Server 2008. Because if we want to add a new domain controller in our environment, and that is maybe 2012 2008, we can add it here. If this is we put 2016, we cannot add here 2008 R2 or 2012 R2. So here we will give the DSRM password. This password is directory service restorer. Suppose our domain is crashed, so we need this password to recover our domain. Click on next. Our Active Directory domain service installed successfully. The computer is going to restart. Uh, Here is the Sky Networks. This is administrator password. We will click on local server, and local servers work group change in that domain, and the system name we already changed. The domain name is the skynetworks.com, and our DNS is already installed. We can check from this, and this is our DNS that is also installed. Now if I want to check how many computers and how many computers are in my Active Directory and the users available, so I can check from here the Sun networks, and this is domain controller. Here is users. All new user will be available here. when we create new user or new groups also. We can create here new group also. Here we can create new user from here, username and their password, full name. Suppose I will create u1 and u1 and user login is u.1 skynetworks.com. Next, and password we will create finish. I'll create a user. In next lecture I will show you how to join the domain from the users and how to install DHCP server on the domain. Thanks for watching the Sky Network.